The Gift of Nature by Malcolm Bradshaw. God gave us the gift of nature, eyes for us to behold the wonderful things He created. Through our eyes they all unfold. He gave us ears that we might hear the sound of many things, like the sound of a songbird, the joy that it brings. He gave us a nose that we might smell the fragrance of a flower, the freshness of the countryside when kissed by an April shower. He gave us the gift of touch so we might feel the things He made, like an egg within its nest by its mother newly laid. He gave us the gift of taste, fruit from off the trees. He instilled so many flavours, for God gave all of these. We thank God for nature, thank Him with all our love, for the wonderful gifts He gave us from the spirit realms above.